Good day, beautiful ones. I am Larissa Odomi Shalewa. This is Activated Energy, where in guidance and love and healing, welcome you to join me and this channel, to dwell in information, that may affect you. So today I want to start off by ringing, bringing in some sounds. Okay, beautiful ones. So I wanted to dwell in the path of shadows. I love doing this on a Wednesday, okay? And this is talking about shadowing your inner shadowings. And with today being ruled by Mercury, okay, communication, this will affect Virgos and Geminis, okay? You are ruled by Mercury. Mercury is a beautiful planet all about communication. If you want the rest of this reading, you guys, subscribe, like, share, go to Activated Energy, okay? And you will get the rest of this reading, beautiful ones. Yes, yes, yes. How are you? Now, I love shadowing because it's all about what you try to conceal, what you try to conceal on the inside that you don't want anyone to see is what you should get rid of or embrace, okay? Okay. Let's see what this foretells so far. What is the energy of Wednesday, Mercury? What is the energy of Wednesday? Ooh. Oh, okay. I'm going to leave those there, okay? I'm going to leave them there. Okay. Gargle and Cauldron. Okay. And I'm going to flip two more. We have Banshee and we have Witch, beautiful ones. Okay. So we're going to start off with this to get the energy of what's going on with you today, surrounded with Mercury communication. If you want the rest of this reading, okay, go to Activated Energy. Loresso Domi Shalewa. This is Activated Energy.